My name is Vadini. I am from CSE department, RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence. What it means. In reinforcement learning, an agent learns to interact with an environment by receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. It is a type of machine learning where the AI agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment, receiving rewards or penalties. It also focuses on training a robot to navigate a maze. It is an example. It means it also reinforcement learning uh, on training agents to learn optimal strategies, or we can say policies, for achieving the specific goals within a dynamic environment. Agent environment interaction also there, where the agent interacts the environment taking actions. Learning by trial or error, it means that the reinforcement learning algorithms learn through their trial and error, similar to how animals and humans learn by experiences the consequences of the actions. What are the key components of learning in AI? Data, that is, the learning algorithms rely heavily on data for training. The quality and quantity of data significantly influence the model's performance. Model, where the mathematical representation of the problem, often structured as a neural network, or you can say strategical model. Then third one is objective function, where the metric that measures the model's performance and guides optimization, which means squared error for regression tasks. Optimization algorithm methods like gradient descent adjust the model's parameters to minimize the objective functions. What are the applications of AI learning? Where we can use that? That is healthcare, where we predict the diseases, personalizing the treatments and automating the medical diagnosis. Finance, where the fraud detection being detected. Risk and assessment, algorithmic trading. Retail, where the recommendation systems, demand forecasting, and customer sentiment analysis. Autonomous systems, self-driving cars, and robotics. AI learning continues to involve driving by advances in computational power, data availability, and innovative algorithms, shaping the future of the intelligent systems. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.